Let's talk about most misunderstanding people. And the most understood person in the world is yung mga leader. Kasi kapag leader ka, kadalasan ikaw yung nakakita ng bigger picture. So, sa mga taong nasa ground, iba yung nakikita nila. Kaya madalas, pag gagawa ka ng desisyon, hindi nila talaga maintindihan. Kasi sometimes they are focusing on the smaller thing while you are focusing on the bigger things, the bigger pictures. So, and kagaya nga na sinasabi, if you cannot please everybody. And darating yung panahon na kahit anong gawin mo, merong magre-react, meron at merong hindi makakaunawa. Pero ito yung challenge sa atin bilang leader. For us to make them see what we are seeing, for them to make our goals their goals, for the hearts na dapat yung heart natin dapat maging heart din nila. And isa yun sa mga challenge na kung ano yung nagpapakilos sa'yo, yun din yung magiging reason kung bakit kikilos sila. Kumbaga, dapat they have to trust kung ano sa nakikita mo at ano yung gusto mong mangyari. And most of us, when we meet at some point, yun yung nagiging start ng magandang relationship, magandang flow ng mga ginagawa. Bakit? Kasi you're not rolling the boat on different directions. You're rolling the boat on one directions, and pag same page kayo, mas madaling gumalaw, mas mabilis makapunta sa patutunguhan, and both of you are growing in the boat. But this time, if you allow to see them that kung ito yung gusto mong mangyari, and that was the time they are growing the boat towards of the things that you want. Again, it's okay to be misunderstood, but it's not enough to make you quit or stop of what you are doing. Palagi ka lang magpatuloy bilang isang leader. Hindi madali, pero kaya. At darating sa point